LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going.
Some sounds are short, which is Raya's burping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are super long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Actually, my new girlfriend Yuki now likes me, and I think she had a crush on me after I broke up with my ex-girlfriend Hayley. Oh, hi. It's me, Untold Loneliness Oswald, or you can call me Suicide Oswald if you want. I am going to test the farting sound effect from Milkxqa YT. It's from a video called Fields. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Let me text her on my phone to see what's up with it. Ooh, I think she's making me blush, and she's trying to kiss me. Unless if I feel like using my tummy muscles, and I need to push. Man. Feels so good, baby. I should probably test the farting sound effect again with the video proof on next time when I need to poop later.